Hi everyone, in today's video we're doing a Halloween nail tutorial and this is part 1 of 2. Coming up. Hi everyone, welcome back to Salon Insiders. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell so you don't miss a video. So in today's video, we're doing a spooky Halloween tutorial. This is part 1 of 2. So we're starting off with, as always, you've got to prep your nail. Make sure you put a base coat on so nothing stains. We're going to be using blacks, so you really want to protect your nail colour. For this video I've decided to do the nail art on myself, which is always more tricky than when you're doing it on somebody else, but I just wanted to show that it can be done. It doesn't have to be perfect, you're only going to have it on for a day or two, so just go with it and just have a bit of fun. So what we're doing here is doing a bit of a multicolour, so we're doing a beige on the little finger and the index finger, we're doing a black on the ring finger. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that top coat on and we're going to dust over some nail glitter. Just tap off the excess. I've got a little tray underneath here which will enable me to put that back into the glitter tube. What you couldn't see off camera though was I had actually just knocked that glitter tube over everywhere, over everything, my brushes, the table, you name it, it was everywhere. Anyway, so back onto the nail. On the middle finger, we're just going to detail out a spider. I'm using a dotting tool. If you don't have one or don't want to purchase one, what you can use is a cocktail stick and a little tiny ball of blue tack, which you stick onto the end of it. Dip it into the polish, works just as well. And now I'm taking a fine brush just to detail out the legs. Like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect. You're not leaving it on forever, so it really doesn't matter. What I would suggest is whenever you're using a brush, whether it be a really long brush or a short brush, try and lay the brush tip on the nail before you move it. That could stop quite a lot of mistakes, which I'd already made earlier in the video, but that's by the by. On the index finger now, we're just going to put a spider web. Like I said, lay the brush on the nail first, then pull it, especially when you're doing these little bits in between, because if you try and put them on and move straight away, then it's going to tend to skip or miss bits of the polish. So just take your time, and if the worst happens, you can just take it off and start again. So here's the final reveal shot, and like I said, it's not perfect, but you know what, it's for one night, so it really doesn't matter, and doing yourself is really difficult. So the next one, we have just painted all the nails except for this ring fingernail black and left them shiny, and for the ring finger one we've painted it the same beige as we've used in the last nail art, and what we've done is we've put a matte top coat over that. This is just a really simple nail, so if you didn't fancy tackling the spider or didn't want to bother with the glitter, then this is a really simple accent nail which looks quite elegant when it's done, relatively simple to do, and even if you mess it up, it's one nail, it's easy just to take that one back off and start again. Practice always makes perfect with this. So tell me, have you ever done a nail art yourself for Halloween? If you have and you've got any pictures, we would really love to see them. So if you head over to our Instagram, the link is on our homepage, put up a picture, tag us in it. We would really love to see it. What I'm doing here in this nail is that I've actually put the lines, the cross lines, a bit too far up. So I'm just taking the brush just to extend those web lines. And now for the reveal shot. Just want to say thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in part 2 of this video. Bye guys.